Welcome to Educational Offering. Today is day 7. Today we will be learning about index and match formulas. Uh, we have this kind of a data sheet in which we have already done conditional formatting of marks which are less than 33 are marked as red and underlined, and the marks which are more than 90 are marked as red. How to do this? We have already studied that. The link of the same I have provided in the description of this form of this video. Now we will see how to find the index and using index and match formula which student has got maximum marks in a particular subject. So to start with, how to find the maximum marks which have been obtained in English, we will be using a max formula. We know that max, and we will select the range, so we will get the marks, maximum marks in English. Similarly, how to get maximum marks in maths, we will select the range of maths. And how to select the maximum marks in science, we will do max and the marks in science. So this is how we will get the marks in each subject. Now how to know which student has got maximum marks in English? Name of the student. Say English is in English the maximum marks are 100. So 100, if we look for 100, 100 is over here, and Ram has got the maximum marks. How to find this? So we will be using a formula which is called as index. Index will give me the corresponding value of a row against which the selected criteria is found. So in which range I need to find? I need to find a name. So I have to give this range. Then which corresponding row I should get? For that I will be using a match formula. Match. What I need to find? I need to find this 100 over here, and then uh, in which range, in this range I need to find, and then I need to find the exact match. So I will go for exact match, which is 0, and I will close the bracket, and I will get the name of the student. Similarly, I can extend this to get the marks of other subjects like index, the range, because range will remain same. Then match, where to get the marks. We already have the maximum marks, that is over here, and I need to get the range. The range will be over here, and then the exact match, and then close the bracket, and then again close the bracket. I will get this. So 99. So if we see 99 over here, 99 corresponds to Harish, and Harish has got the maximum marks. So again, if I want to, we can repeat the process for your understanding. Lookup array will be the same, because out of these only somebody would have got the maximum marks, and then I will be using the match function, then the maximum value over here, then the range of signs from here to here, and then I will have exact will be 0, close the bracket, Anurag. So 100 is of Anurag. So this is how I get the maximum marks. Now if I want to get the minimum marks, what I need to do is we can use a minimum function, min, and sorry, we can do min, and then we can give the range. Again, I can give the range over here, and I can get the minimum marks 21. And who has got, again we will do the same process, index, select the range, and then match. Over here the minimum marks, we can select the range. For exact match we will use a 0, then close the bracket, Sham. So here we can get even the formula. I have used a formula text function. Which formula I have used, I can use it over here as well. So similarly, if I want to know the minimum marks, so similarly we have done it for maths and science, and here I have copied a formula which is being used to get the maximum marks for English. Similarly, we can make it for maths and science. You can take a screenshot and understand this in a better way. If you have any questions, you can ask it in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video. Please do share, like and subscribe my video for more such important formulas. Thank you so much.